traders, Gavin McMaster here from Options Trading IQ, back with a new trade idea for today. Just a reminder that this is for educational purposes only and is general in nature and does not take into account your personal circumstances. Alrighty, so the idea I've got today is looking at a Tesla bear call spread. The chart is looking pretty bearish at the moment and looking at going out to about a 22 delta for June. So it's a 2-week trade. Pretty short term. It's a little bit more short term than I'd like to go usually, but happy to go a little bit bearish on this one, and also normally a little bit higher delta as well. Normally I'm about the 15 delta, but going a bit more aggressive with the 22 delta. So selling the 820, going out 5 points, buying the 825. You can see that trade's generating about $110 in premium with about 390 at risk. And the purple line here is our T+0 line. How does the trade look as of today? And as this progresses, that purple line will go up and up, hopefully to that blue line. I usually set a decision point or an alert just in from the short strike. I don't want to let, if I get it wrong and Tesla rallies, I don't want to let it get anywhere near this short strike. So I'll usually set a price alert, probably in this case at about 785. If that level gets hit, I'll either hedge, adjust, or close. So there you go. That's the idea for today. I hope you enjoy that. And if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, talk to you soon.